Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers. They want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, stihl MS192TC. I told you I was gonna put a lot of them. Guys, I'm cleaning house. I'm gonna throw so many machines that you cannot hack it. I'm gonna be trying to do 10 every day, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm gonna put everything out. Okay? Just if you watching this video, save money because I'm gonna throw a lot. Look at that, I got more than 100 chainsaws. I'm gonna go for, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, let's go back. Okay, we have again stihl MS192TC. Guys, on this one, I don't know much like all of them. I noticed this one is like that, big deal, because you know what I'm gonna try to do is just trying to give it a start. If you follow me, you know how it works. Here we have the acceleration. At least everything with the system looks is there. This is bent over. It looks like it took a hit from here. Somehow I can see it bend over here and here, but what, for example, it's still working. But you see right here, you go here. That means you have to do whatever you gotta do. If it's still good, the carburetor, if you can fix it, makes sense. I don't think it's that much, but it looks good. But we cannot think about looking, you know how it is these days. They look beautiful from the outside, but inside, it's not so. Okay, we got the spring on this side, the spring on this side, and this one so far, and the clutch looks promising. And we're going for the moment. Oh, true. Look at you, baby. I know you were looking at me. I didn't see you. Oh, what we got here? Oh. Okay, easy now. You're my first one today. Go easy on my daddy. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, remember I sell full parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. I sell for part, guys. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you. If you come to my store to make me waste my time and the time of my customers, I have stores, people, their own shops, a lot of places that depend on me. Please don't make me waste my time and my customers' time, because sometimes, you know, in business a week is too much these days. Alright, the handle, I don't know if it works or not. We're gonna figure it out. In case or not, you know, I got my stuff there, no problem. It's a spark plug, came with it. Alright, enough is enough, let's hit it. You know what, let me check the gas. Anyways, not a big deal. Alright. We there, guys. Wait, my little invention today is a little tired, I guess. Wait, let me fix them up. Yes, alright, we got it. You see? Yeah, I got you. Alright, guys. Put this baby. See where we're at. You know what? It looks like he took a hit here. Oh, this is not from here. I figure why it ends. You see that, the way everything is looking. Oh bueno, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it looks like she took a break. Let me see if I can do anything to, at least to, but you can see already, I'm gonna put the screws. You can see it there. Guys, I'm trying to be the fairest that I can with you guys. Like that, when you receive the machine, you can be fair with me too, okay? That's the way I work. That's the way I run my business. They want to push me, see? Alright. It looks like we can do it like that. Move it over here a little bit. Alright, we're gonna put a spark plug. Remember, this is the one I came. I'm gonna use one of mine. I'm gonna use in case you're new in my store, this is the doctor. More than 600 and something. I think we're already 700 bottles already. I'm sure we passed that, but it's okay. Who's counting? Alright, we're gonna do that. Alright. Alright, I think we can do it. We're gonna open this a little. We're gonna throw a little magic liquid. Wait, alright there. You don't have to put too much, guys. I will see you go out of hand just a little bit. Or you can throw in the spark plug just a bit, because all we want to know is to see the spark plug works. I don't like to hit the machines too hard when they're being sleeping for this long or not that long. You never know. Make sure everything's good. Woo, girl. Easy. It's early. I almost fell back. Yeah, because I'm on high ground. This is like every day I'm dancing and Don't ask me how I get this, guys. Don't ask me. Alright, so far as we know, the handle works, coil works, flywheel works. Other than that, guys, that's all for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. Thank you, guys. Any questions are here? I'm going to put everything back into a picture. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Hoy es un día bello, bello. Miren, bello, qué linda la vida, ¿eh? Linda la vida. No podemos desperdiciarla. No se debe desperdiciar. Hay que ser felices. Stihl MS-192 TC. Mi gente, ya saben, aquí no hay mucho, ya vieron. La ladera funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. De ahí para allá, recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted es nuevo en mi tienda, yo desarmo, trato de enseñarles todo lo más honesto posible. De ahí para allá, yo vendo para partes. Si la trata de arreglar, le está cometiendo el error más grave del mundo. ¿Por qué? Porque está rota, destruida, está en pedazos. Yo vendo para partes. Gracias, mi gente, aquí estamos. Que se me una la raza.